Hello everyone, welcome back to the video series for class 10th IT, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the next session of our spreadsheet intermediate topic. So in this session we are going to discuss about set page breaks and what are the different page layout available in spreadsheet. So let us have the first topic, that is set page break. What is the use of this page break? This feature is very useful when we have to print huge sheets but we want to select the content for any specific page. So for that purpose, set page break option can be used, where we can select that what number of pages, what portion of pages we want it to be get printed. So let us start the today's topic, that how we can insert the page break manually. Automatically page break is already given to our document, to our spreadsheet, but we can set it manually as well. So first we will go through the content, then we will see practically that how we can do this one. So let us see that under which option we are having this page break preview. So again we have to remember that name of the tab is view tab and name of the group is workbook views. Under that group we will have the option page break preview. It means it will show us the default page break. So we can see our page break preview under the view tab under workbook views group. So again I am telling you that all these things are very important from exam point of view, that you have to remember name of the tab and name of the group. So already we have discussed this. Now let us continue the topic, that if we have to insert a vertical page break, then we have to select the row below where we want the page break, and when we have to insert horizontal page break, then we have to select the column to the right where we want to insert the page break. So now we have to find out that where that insert break option exists in our spreadsheet. So let us go through that part, that page break insert break option is under the tab page layout and name of the group is page setup. Just remember, previously we have discussed about page break preview. This is about break option. Through this option we can set manually page break. So let me remind you again that break option available under page layout tab, and under page layout tab we have to choose which group. We have to choose the page setup group. ओके तो हमने यहाँ पे टैब का नाम जाना पेज लेआउट टैब और ग्रुप का नाम है पेज सेटअप ग्रुप. वहाँ पे हमें ब्रेक का ऑप्शन मिलेगा. ब्रेक के ऑप्शन में 3 वहाँ पे ऑप्शंस फिर से आपको मिलेंगे, जहाँ पे इंसर्ट पेज ब्रेक है, देन यू कैन रिमूव योर पेज ब्रेक एंड देन यू कैन रीसेट ऑल द पेज ब्रेक्स ऑल्सो. ओके. And the next topic which we are going to discuss is our page layout option. What is the meaning of page layout? Here one activity is there. You can practice it at your home. Basically you have to create a worksheet and you have to insert page break according to your question. Now questions are already given for your practice. Now let us have the another topic, that is set page layout. What is the meaning of page layout? So page layout options are being used to organize our pages. Now it has subcategories also, means what settings can be done using this page layout option. So see, here we can change the margins, we can change the orientation, we can change the page headers and footers, we can change hide or display grid lines, then size of the page, define the print area and specify the background. So page layout option is having this many things that can be set. And again, page layout option is available under the same tab, view tab, and name of the group is workbook views. So we will discuss both this topic too in this video. So margin is known to us that how many margin we want to give in our document from top side, from bottom side, from left side, from right side, also for headers and footers. Similarly, orientation may be your portrait, it may be landscape. Headers and footers we have already discussed in word processing. Hide or display grid lines means whatever grid lines are there, जो भी हमारा हॉरिजेंटल और वर्टिकल लाइंस एक्सेल शीट में दिखते हैं, स्प्रेडशीट में दिखते हैं, उसको हम हाइड भी कर सकते हैं. एंड साइज ऑफ द पेज कैन ऑल्सो बी सेट. अगर हम A3 साइज़ में प्रिंट करना चाहते हैं, लेटर साइज़ में प्रिंट करना चाहते हैं, A4 साइज़ में प्रिंट करना चाहते हैं, accordingly we have to change the paper size also. Then define the print area. Sometimes it happen कि हमारे एक पेज में जो भी कंटेंट है, we don't want to get it printed whole. हम चाहते हैं कि कोई पोर्शन उसका प्रिंट होके आए. सो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर रिक्वायरमेंट वी हैव टू सेट द प्रिंट एरिया and specify the background is if you want to change your background of your spreadsheet, then you have to choose specify the background option. Okay, so let us remind it again that page layout option is available under view tab and name of the group is workbook views. Okay, and let us see how we can do it practically. So I told you just now that margins can be set from your top side, bottom side, left side, right side, and orientation is your portrait, landscape, print area. So all these things we will discuss by using the spreadsheet as well. So let us see these options practically. So we will open one spreadsheet where we will have some content written previously. Now see here, we are having our worksheet here. Content is already there. First we will try to insert page break. Okay, so first we will go page break preview. Now we have to choose view tab. Under view tab we have to go for the tab worksheet views. You can see here worksheet views and select page break preview. You can see the dark blue lines. These are the automatically given page break to our document. Now we can increase it or decrease it by dragging the blue lines. Okay, now in this way you can increase the size of your page. Okay, I am extending our page break from right side as well as from bottom, but let us have this to be done in another way. Okay, so either we can do it by dragging the blue dark lines, or the second thing is we have to choose page layout option. Okay, you can see page layout option. Under this we are having page setup group and you can see that break option is there. Now click on the break option. So basically you have to choose the position that where you want to insert the break. So for the last row you have to first click on the last row and then you have to choose insert break, and for the last column you have to first select the last column and then you have to choose insert page break. So let us do this for our spreadsheet. First we will click on the last row and then we will go with insert breaks. Then automatically page break will be set here manually. So go to breaks option, then insert page break. Now you can see page has been break from that particular point. And again we will click the column right side of the last one and then we will go for breaks and insert page break. And you can see that the page break has been set manually. So these can be also removed or also can be reset by the last option. So when we will click on breaks and reset all the page breaks, all the things will be revert. Okay, so this was about inserting breaks. Now this page layout option is having other options also, that is margin options. So let us discuss one by one all the options. You can see here margin, there is normal margin, that is the default setting. Now wide margin, if you want to give margin more than normal one, then you have to choose wide. If you want to choose margin less than normal one, then you have to choose narrow. And if you want to customize it, if you want to give manually some value, then you have to go for custom setting. Here you can increase or decrease your margins from top position, from left position, from bottom, from footer, as well as for you can give the margin for header and footer as well. Now here you can decide that at which position you want to place your content in the particular page. अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपका कंटेंट हॉरिजेंटली और वर्टिकली पूरा सेंटर ऑफ द पेज में हो, तो आपको ये दोनों ऑप्शन चूज़ करने होंगे, ठीक है. एट द लास्ट आई विल शो यू दैट व्हाट विल द आउटपुट ऑफ आवर स्प्रेडशीट. ये सारे ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करने के बाद एग्जैक्टली आउटपुट हमारा कैसा आएगा, दैट वी विल see also in this video. Now come to the orientation. By default all of us know that orientation is portrait. Now let us choose it as लैंडस्केप. अभी हमारा पेज का जो सेटअप हो गया, जो ओरिएंटेशन हो गया, वो लैंडस्केप हो गया. साइज़ लेट अस चूज़ इट एज A4 साइज़, ठीक है. आपके पेपर के अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन चूज़ योर पेपर साइज़. प्रिंट एरिया, सपोज ये जितने भी कंटेंट हैं हमारे फर्स्ट पेज में हैं, बट आई डोंट वांट दैट होल कंटेंट शुड बी प्रिंटेड ऑन द पेज. मुझे ये सिर्फ 2 बच्चों के रिकॉर्ड को ही प्रिंट करना है. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल फर्स्ट सेलेक्ट दोज 2 रिकॉर्ड्स. पहले हम क्या करेंगे, सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे कि हमें कितना कंटेंट चाहिए. सो लेट अस सेलेक्ट दोज 2 कंटेंट्स एंड देन सेट प्रिंट एरिया. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, जब हम प्रिंट करेंगे तो हमारे पास ये 2 ही रिकॉर्ड आ जाएंगे. एंड बैकग्राउंड मीन्स आप कोई भी पिक्चर डाल सकते हो अपने बैकग्राउंड में, कुछ भी आप अपने बैकग्राउंड में सेट कर सकते हो, ठीक है. अब हमें देखना है कि हमारा ये जो प्रिंट आएगा कैसे. इसके लिए वी विल गो फॉर प्रिंट प्रीव्यू. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट इन प्रिंट प्रीव्यू व्हाट इज़ द आउटपुट. सी, मुझे 2 ही रिकॉर्ड चाहिए थे, 2 ही रिकॉर्ड आया. मैंने लैंडस्केप सेट किया था, लैंडस्केप हुआ. उसके बाद मैंने वर्टिकली और हॉरिजेंटली सेंटर में लाया था, वो भी हो गया हमारा, ठीक है. सेटिंग्स हमारा A4 साइज़ था, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अप्लाइड. तो ये सारे ऑप्शंस हमने चूज़ करके अपना आउटपुट देख लिया कि इस तरह से हमारा प्रिंट हमारे पेपर पे आएगा. सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट आवर पेज ब्रेक एंड पेज लेआउट ऑप्शंस. In the coming video, we will discuss some more important topics. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you for watching video. Thank you very much.